Hi guys, so in this video we have this simple question that says 16 raised to the power of x plus 16 raised to the power of x then plus 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. And we have to solve for x. Now, you can pause this video to give this question a try and let's see your answer in the comment section. So the first step in solving this question, we already have our 16 raised to the power of x plus 16 raised to the power of x plus 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. So we can write this 16 raised to the power of x plus 16 raised to the power of x as 2 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of x. And then we have our plus 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. Now, the next thing we are going to do, you can say 16 can also be written as 8 raised to the power of 2. So we are going to transfer that into our equation. This is going to give us 2. This is going to give us 2 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x plus 8 raised to the power of plus 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. This equation can also be written as 2 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 plus 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute. You can say let our 8 raised to the power of x be equals to a. So when we do that, we will left with 2 multiplied by a all raised to the power of 2 plus a is equals to 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to try equating the equation to 0. So what do? We are going to add negative. So what do? We are going to add negative 1 to both sides of the equation to get rid of this one. So we'll be left with 2a squared plus a minus 1 is equals to 0. So now we can factorize to get the values of a. This is going to give us 2a minus 1 multiplied by a plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, obviously, we're going to have two answers of a. Now, the first part we have 2a minus 1 is equals to 0. We have that our 2a is equals to 1 and our a is equals to 1 all over 2. So, we have that our a is equals to 1 all over 2. We say that our a is equals to 8 raised to the power of x. That is where we substituted. So with this we can have that our 8 raised to the power of x. So with this we have that 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 1 all over 2. Now 1 all over 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power of minus 1. And also 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. So when we substitute that into this our equation, we left with 2 raised to the power of 3 then all raised to the power of x is equals to 2 raised to the power of minus 1. So since they have equal bases, we'll be left with 3x is equals to minus 1. So here finally we have our x is equals to minus 1 all over 3. Now on the other part here we have that our a plus 1 is equals to 0. So here that our a is equals to minus 1. So we have that our 8 raised to the power of x, which is the value of a, is equals to minus 1. And actually this is impossible, so we're not going to use this answer. The answer we're going to take is this one that says that our x is equals to minus 1 all over 3. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe.